Every homeowner wants to save money during construction, yet many rely entirely on contractors for material estimates. The truth is that one of the most powerful ways to cut costs is by understanding something called quantity takeoff, the process of measuring actual material quantities based on architectural and structural drawings. Today, we will explore how much money you can save by learning or understanding quantity takeoff, and why this skill protects your construction budget from unnecessary expenses. What quantity takeoff really means. Quantity takeoff, or QTO, is the measurement of all materials needed for the project: concrete volume, rebar weight, CHB count, tile area, paint coverage, plumbing lengths, and electrical wiring. It is the foundation of accurate budgeting. With QTO, you know exactly how many bags of cement you need, how many meters of rebar to buy, and how much tile grout is required. Without this, contractors rely on estimates that are often padded. Why most homeowners overspend without QTO? When homeowners do not know the actual material quantities, contractors tend to include safety allowances that may be larger than necessary. This results in buying excess materials or overpaying for labor. Some builders deliberately inflate quantities to increase profit margins. Without QTO, homeowners lose control of the budget because they don't have a baseline to compare contractor proposals against. How QTO helps identify overpricing. If your QTO states that the project needs 120 bags of cement, but the contractor quotes 160 bags, you instantly see the discrepancy. If your foundation requires 1.2 tons of rebar, but the contractor quotes 2 tons, you know something is wrong. QTO empowers homeowners to challenge inflated quotations and request revisions. This alone saves thousands of pesos. dpwh methodology and output rates. dpwh uses standardized measurement methods, output rates, and unit cost references to compute BOQs. These ensure accuracy and consistency. When homeowners use dpwh-inspired QTO logic, quantities become more realistic and aligned with professional construction practices. dpwh methodology reduces guesswork and allows even non-engineers to understand material requirements. Realistic savings for small homes. For a small residential project, lack of QTO can cause overspending of 10,000 to 50,000 pesos depending on the scale and complexity. Most of these losses come from excess materials such as cement, rebar, CHB, or finishing supplies. When you know the accurate quantity, you only buy what you need, reducing waste and improving cash flow. How QTO improves project scheduling. Quantity takeoff also helps plan delivery schedules. Knowing when you will need 200 CHB blocks, 10 cubic meters of gravel, or 50 pieces of reinforcing bars prevents delays. Contractors can organize work efficiently, avoiding idle labor days caused by insufficient materials. Good QTO improves both cost and productivity, preventing material theft and misuse. Construction sites are prone to material loss due to theft, misallocation, or overuse. When quantities are clearly defined, homeowners can track materials better. If 20 bags of cement disappear or a bundle of rebar is missing, the discrepancy becomes obvious. QTO acts as a control measure to protect your investment. BOQ and budget forecasting. QTO is the heart of the BOQ. Without accurate quantities, the budget becomes unreliable, leading to inaccurate budgeting. With QTO, the BOQ reflects true material needs and cost per item. This allows for better financial forecasting, helping homeowners prepare cash flow schedules and avoid unnecessary borrowing or construction stoppages. How much money can you really save? Homeowners who understand QTO save anywhere from 10,000 pesos for small projects to over 100,000 pesos for larger builds. The savings do not come from cutting corners, but from avoiding overbuying, preventing rework, and exposing inaccurate contractor proposals. TOE transforms homeowners into informed decision-makers who can protect their budget effectively. You don't need to be an engineer to understand QTO. Many homeowners fear QTO because it sounds technical. But with today's tools, tutorials, and downloadable templates, anyone can learn the basics. Even understanding simple measurements like wall area, floor area, or concrete volume can already save thousands. Knowledge gives homeowners leverage and prevents blind spending. If you want a professional BHAC or need help understanding the quantities for your project based on your drawings, visit www.bjsconsultancy.com. We prepare DPW line quantity takeoffs that give homeowners accurate numbers and full budget control. Follow SmartPinoy Homes to learn practical construction skills that protect your investment.